begin. So I'm skipping the hair part. She had already did her hair. We just mixed some black shadow colossal and some black shadow fine, and with some hair gel, and just really just slicked back her hair and added that. So I added my lightest shade of foundation. I had a sample of Dermacol, and I just applied that all the way down just to make her very pale. Now I outlined the eyes, and I am using the Mayron body paint in black to just really darken the eyes. And after I'm done filling that in, I'm going to feather out the edges. Since she is a bird, I'm going to just give some feather-like edges here. You'll see. And after I did that, I also just went ahead and added some white just to give it some extra dimension. Now I am just making it even extra dark, and I am taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm just using that dark black shade, and I am just applying that and smoking that out. Note to self, if you're using black or dark colors, do your eyes first before you do the foundation. I did have to wipe off some of her foundation and then reapply it. Then we just popped on some lashes, and I did also her waterline just to make it even darker. And now we're moving on to the lips. I just added just a red lipstick, and now I am applying Rebellious Red and Chunky to the lips. And now I'm going to add some glitter highlight to her décolleté area, and I am just taking a loose glitter in Serious Shimmer and Fine, and I am just basically tapping that on with a loose, big, fluffy brush, and taking that down from the neck to her shoulders, to her chest, just to make it really sparkly. And there you have it. This is her finished look. Hope you enjoy.